Hello, welcome. How are you? I'm your brother friend Sivakumar Palaniyappan, helping you become better, grow, and succeed in your professional journey. In this video, we'll deep dive and learn how to handle negativity around us. Come on, my dear friends, let's jump inside the video. Let's move on. I'm sick and tired of all the negativity around me. I always see people spreading negative thoughts, negative emotions, negativity that pulls me down miserably. I lose my peace of mind, I lose my happiness, I lose my motivation and drive, and my positive thinking goes for a toss in just a moment by all these negative people. Friends, tell me and think how often you come across this negativity in your own life in terms of situations, happenings, people around you who is full of pessimistic thinking, negative thinking that miserably derails your positivity, your happiness levels, your peace of mind. And it's very important in this world full of negativity to safeguard ourselves, to protect ourselves from negative energy that flows onto us from people around us. But unfortunately, you know what? Negativity spreads like a wildfire. Look at social media platforms, look at media channels, newspapers, WhatsApp messages, Facebook posts, everywhere negative things for various psychological evolutionary reasons. Negativity spreads faster and our mind quickly catches those negativity and hops onto that and starts feeling bad, feeling down, drain down all the emotions, and we feel miserable in our lives. If you want to stay positive, if you want to move forward in your life and career, you have to understand and learn some very powerful techniques and methods with which you can handle, you can protect yourself from all this negativity and negative people around you. I'm going to give you a very few powerful techniques with which you can handle negativity and negative people around you. Number one is, don't buy in negativity. There will be people around you who are negative. You can't avoid that. There will be your colleagues, team members, sometimes family members. You can't get away with them. You have to live with them anyway. So what you can do is listen to all negativities only through your ears and drop them off. Don't internalize them. Don't take them very seriously. Don't bother about them. So consciously tell yourself, I will listen or I will hear them. I will not attentively listen them and take it inside. I will not internalize them. I will hear them just blindly and shrug it off, and I'll move on with my positivity, my focus, my enthusiasm. Second important technique is, stop blaming them and do not advise them. Don't tell them, why are you always negative? You always saying negative things, you're blaming, you're complaining. This is a not good habit. Be very positive person. The more and more you advise, you blame, you pinpoint those mistakes, negative people get more offended. And you know what happens? Their negativity intensifies and aggravates. They will find more powerful reasons to be more negative. They'll try to prove their point very well. They'll try to push negativity on you, dump more negativity on you. So never ever advise them, never ever try to correct them, because end of the day, that is not your problem. Some people who have become so negative today are negative not just because they are negative. They started enjoying this negativity. They think they're critical thinkers, they think from different perspectives, they always ask tough questions. In the process, they become negative, they slip into negativity, and now they cherish, they enjoy, they love being negative all the time. So don't have to argue with them, blame them, try to correct them, advise them. Just listen to them or hear them, ignore and move on. So number two technique is, don't try to blame, don't try to change them, advise them. Third important point, my difference is, do not emotionally react to them, logically sit down and respond to them. Sometimes what happens when negativity comes to us, a challenge or a difficulty or a negative person or a people come to us, they dump something on us, what happens? We tend to instantly react to it. When we react to it, that's what they want from you anyway, isn't it? The negative people, why are they negative? Why are they dumping negativity at you? They really want you to react emotionally instantaneously. That's what they want. So if you don't give in for their intention, instead you keep quiet, you stay calm, you think logically, and then you respond with a lot of sense. What happens? Their intentions get crashed and they will no more come back to their negativity. They'll come, but still they know this doesn't work with this guy because he is very sensible or she is very sensible. So be very sensible. Do not instantly react to negativity. Think it over. Respond to it very sensibly. That way you can very comfortably handle negative people around you, my dear friends. Next very very powerful technique is be a positivity spreader. You be so positive in whatever you say, in whatever you do, your behavior, your thought process, such that everybody else's negativity is overshadowed by your positivity. When you are present in the meeting or in the hall or in the conference, even negative people should think twice or thrice to say negative things. They know this guy is there. He's a very positive man. He will look at things positively. He will look at things in a very nice sense, an optimistic person. So let us not jump into negativity. They become very careful. So you be so positive, so optimistic that you infect everybody. You influence everybody. You ensure that negative people don't get the power and courage to stand up and put pessimistic things on table. Be very positive. Be a positivity spreader, beamer. You beam positivity, you spread to everybody, and you stay calm, you with a lot of confidence, you get things done, and that way you can easily handle negative people. And last important technique is this. If possible, ignore them and move on from them. If a person is negative all the time, why do you have to work with them, connect with them, build relationship with them, move on from them, stay away from them. Be very positive. Ensure that you protect and safeguard your positivity, your optimism towards life. The question is, what if the person is my close colleague, my cubicle mate, my cabin friend, my team member, my own family member? That's really challenging. You can't simply walk off from that person. You have to live with them anyway. So knowing you have to live with them, look at these 4 or 5 important points. Don't argue with them. Don't try to change them. Don't internalize negativity on you. Just hear and throw it away. Be a positive person. Respond, do not react. With all the simple techniques and methods, my dear friends, you will be able to handle, manage negativity around you and still stay positive. With a lot of confidence, with a lot of motivation, with a lot of drive to achieve what you want to achieve. Thank you for watching this video. Wish you all the very, very best. Take care and bye-bye.